Most people think a productive mindset means getting more things done. They're wrong. That's not productivity, that's just being a busy bee. The real definition of productivity: doing the right things while ignoring the wrong ones. Today, I'm going to show you why your optimized routine is actually a trap, and how the world's most successful people actually manage their 168 hours. In the US, we're obsessed with the morning routine. We think if we just wake up earlier and drink more caffeine, we'll eventually finish our to-do lists. But here's the secret: the to-do list is infinite. Efficiency is like a faster car, it only helps if you're driving in the right direction. If you're just getting faster at doing meaningless tasks, you aren't being productive. You're just accelerating toward burnout. A truly productive mindset isn't about volume, it's about leverage. Think about it. If you spend 4 hours cleaning your inbox, you've done work. But if you spend 1 hour automating a system that handles your emails for the next year, you've been productive. One is maintenance. The other is growth. Most people spend 90% of their life on maintenance and wonder why they aren't growing. You've heard of the Pareto Principle: 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. But here is the part no one tells you: that means 80% of your to-do list is garbage. If you have a productive mindset, you have to be comfortable with letting the good things die so that great things can live. This means saying no to the mid-level opportunities, the pointless meetings, and the distractions that feel like work but don't move the needle. In a world of infinite distractions, your attention is your most valuable asset. You can have the best Notion template in the world, but if you're functioning on 5 hours of sleep and 4 hours of screen time, your mindset is broken. Real productivity requires a biological foundation. 8 hours of sleep isn't a luxury, it's a performance enhancer. Deep work blocks aren't a suggestion, they're a requirement. Having a productive mindset doesn't mean you're a robot. It means you respect your time enough to spend it on what matters. So, here is your homework for this week. Look at your calendar. Find one productive thing you do every day that actually adds zero value to your life, and delete it. Stop being busy. Start being effective. Subscribe to keep building a mindset that actually works for you.